Why is nothing loading on my phone? Simple fixes that work. Apps won't open, websites won't load, and your phone suddenly feels stuck? Nothing loading on a phone is a common problem, and usually, it's easier to fix than you think. Before diving deeper, try these quick fixes. They solve most issues right away. Quick fixes for nothing loading on a phone. If nothing is loading on your phone right now, start here. Restart your phone. Check your internet connection. Turn airplane mode off and on. Close background apps. These quick fixes solve many loading problems immediately. If nothing is loading on your phone, your device may be warning you about one of these common problems. Why nothing is loading on your phone? When your phone won't load apps or websites, the issue is usually related to connectivity, memory, or temporary system glitches. The cause may be weak internet connection, frozen apps, low storage space, system bugs. Sometimes, your phone simply needs a quick refresh to start working normally again. If the quick fixes didn't work, or you want to dive in deeper, let's take a look at how you can troubleshoot the issue. Troubleshoot. Nothing. Loading on a phone. Follow these steps to troubleshoot a phone that loads nothing. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Start by testing your internet connection. Try Wi-Fi and mobile data. Test another website or app. Restart your router if needed. If your internet isn't working properly, apps and websites may fail to load. Step 2. Restart your phone. Next, restart your device. Power off completely. Wait a few seconds. Turn it back on. Restarting your phone clears temporary glitches and refreshes system processes. Step 3. Check storage space. Low storage can slow your phone down dramatically. Delete unused apps. Remove old photos or videos. Clear downloads and junk files. When storage gets too full, apps may stop working correctly. Step 4. Close or update problem apps. Sometimes, one buggy app causes the problem. Force close frozen apps. Update apps from the App Store. Clear app cache if needed. Outdated or corrupted apps can prevent things from loading properly. Step 5. Check for system updates. Software bugs can also cause loading issues. Install phone updates. Restart after updating. Keep apps current. Updates often include fixes for performance and connectivity problems. Best practices. To keep your phone running smoothly long-term, follow these habits. Restart your phone occasionally. Keep storage space available. Update apps regularly. Avoid installing unnecessary apps. A clean, updated phone usually performs much more reliably. Quick recap. If nothing is loading on your phone, check your internet. Restart your phone. Free up storage. Update or close apps. Install software updates. Common mistake. One common mistake is opening more and more apps when the phone is already struggling. Too many apps running and ignoring low storage warnings can make your phone even slower and less responsive. You can also check out the full step-by-step guide linked below for more detailed fixes. And if this helped, consider liking the video and subscribing for more simple tech help. SImpleTech Help. Tech made simple.